Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to tell you the important thing. Even though you are connected to your mobile phone or you have switched on your mobile phone, you don't want to take any calls or messages, and you want to show people as you are switched off completely, and you are accessing your internet pretty easily, and you've been connected to several websites, but you don't want to take your mobile calls or messages while your mobile is switched on. What exactly you have to do, I'll be showing so easily in this video. You have to get into settings for that option. Going to settings, just go to that particular thing where you can easily do this one. Go to connections. Here just tap on connections. If you get into connections, then you will be provided several options. Here you have to get into SIM card manager. For that option, just tap here on SIM card manager. Just going to SIM card manager, I'm using only one SIM here, and this is switched on. You can switch off this SIM so easily from here, or your mobile data, you can turn it off by going to mobile data, and you can make your SIM mobile data off from here. And yes, you can switch off your SIM here. Just turning it off, you won't you need at least one SIM to turn it on. Yes, can't turn off the SIM card. And if you are using two SIMs, one SIM can be easily turned on every time, right? So this way you can be avoiding your calls and networks whenever calls and messages whenever you are irritated with them so easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe the channel.